Hello, good evening, mister. So, for like me, a low-key people, we cannot afford to eat a king crab. So for now, I have a piece of an arm, I guess. This an arm of a king crab. Uh, they gave it to us. So this is my really first time to eat this kind of crustacean. And I say thank you for the food that they gave us. Why? So, ganito ba talaga to? Soft ang shell niya. So, I need gunting. Wait. Yeah, I have now. Yeah! And we'll cut it like this. Then, yola. We can eat now. Wow! Oh, look at that. Yeah. I remember when I was eating Nissin ramen, they have flavored of seafood. They have like this, but small part. I don't know if it is a king crab, but it's resemblance like this. I have vinegar. Hmm. Hmm. Now, I think I am enjoying my job here, eating the food that I can't afford. So, mainly, this is a leftover, but it's good. I like it. It's a king crab. King crab arms. Hmm.